I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this very dull and boring attendance form. You see, it's very tedious and there's nothing interesting about this attendance format that you are seeing right over here. But let's make it a bit more interesting. So just remove these and now you have the area selected for the attendance sheet. Next you'll have to go over to the conditional formatting, and among these options you'll have to go over to the new rule. Once you are over here, go over to the format style, click on the drop down, and then you will have the icon set select. After doing that, go over to the type, click on the number, then for the second icon click on number again, then go over to the values. For the green one type in 2, for the yellow one type in 1. And remember, before you click OK, you will have to click on show icons only and then click on OK. Now this indicates that the green one are the people that have attended, the yellow one is for the delayed, and the ones in red are absent. Now for the attendance, let's say Jane attended, so we'll type in 2. For Mark, let's say he was delayed. For Mark, let's say he came with a delay, and Henry was absent. So this is how interesting it is. You can change these colors, customize them according to your need, and that's how you'll make a really interesting attendance sheet within Excel.